lesson is all about applying your knowledge of coordinates. So thinking about everything you've done this week and applying it today. So your first question says, what colour can be found at these coordinates? So we'll start with 4, 3. So remember, we always go across first and then up. So I know that at 4, 3 we've got blue. And you can write blue or you can just write the letter. Then the next one is 9, 8. So again, I'm going to go across to 9 and up to 8. And that time we got to the red dot. So that's that one. And then the final one then, so we've gone across 10, but we haven't gone up any, and that's my green dot. Okay, your next one then. So this one's a little bit trickier, and it says write the coordinates which join together to form a rectangle. So on my board you will see that I've got lots of points plotted, and you've got to really look carefully at these points to see which ones look a little bit like a rectangle. And remember, a rectangle has got 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. Now I think I can see a rectangle if I used these points here. Okay, so there's my rectangle, and what I've got to do now is I've got to write down the coordinates of each of these 4 points so that somebody else would be able to join them up to create a rectangle. So I'm going to start at this one, and we're starting with across 4 and up 1. Please remember to write these in brackets, guys. Okay, so 4, 1. Next one then. So I've gone across to 10, 1. And a comma goes in between the 2 numbers. So gone from there to there. Let's go to this one now. So across 10 and up to 8. And then the final one is this one here. We're going across 4 and up to 8. So across 4, up 8. And if I gave you those coordinates from that, you would be able to draw this rectangle. A little bit like what we did on Tuesday, where you had to go at drawing your own robot. Now, if you are a 1-star child today, you've got a code breaker. So you've got lots of different points that have got letters attached to them, and you're going to find the point to crack the code at the bottom, and it will spell a word. If you are 2-star, 3-star or 4-star, you're going to apply that knowledge of coordinates by answering true or false questions, by identifying symbols at different coordinates, and then use those coordinates to create shapes.